we've already used arrays of characters in several projects in this course. For example, you might remember from chapter 4, I wrote a function called readlin that populated an array, S, with characters that were entered at the keyboard, and each character was assigned to the char variable ch and appended to the array at index I like this. The end result was that if the user entered the characters HELLO, those would be added sequentially to the array S. The first character would be at the array index 0, the second at index 1, and so on. You can think of an array as being like a container with a fixed number of slots, numbered from 0 upwards. Since the first element in an array is at index 0, the last element is at the index given by the length of the array, -1. Now in the array shown here, there are 5 characters, so the array length is 5. The first element, H, is at index 0, and the last element, O, is at index 4. That is, at the position given by the length of the array, 5 minus 1. But arrays aren't restricted to storing just characters. In C, an array can contain other types of data, just as long as each item in the array is of the same and the declared data type. So this is how to declare an array named intArray that can store 5 integers. That's of the int data type. When you want to access an element at a specific index in the array, you can put the index number between square brackets like this. intArray, open square bracket, 3, close square bracket. Now this lets you obtain the existing value of the element at the specified index, or you could assign a new value to that element. And in fact here you can see that I'm assigning these numbers to these slots in the array. So for example, the 4th slot, that is, the location at index 3 of the array, is assigned the value 31. And when I want to get at the value stored at a specific index, I can again use square bracket notation. And that's what I've done here. I display the value stored at index 3. Let's see what happens when I run it. So, first of all, this for loop iterates through intArray, and it goes from 0 up till the 5th element, that's at index 4, while I is less than 5, and it displays the value, these integers, in the array. And then here I want to look at intArray at index 3, well that's this value, 31, and that's what's displayed.